All right, so there's this viral Domino's pizza that's been making the rounds on social media, and well, I figured I should probably give it a shot, right? So let's have a look at this thing. Let's have a look at this absolute war crime in the making. Okay, there you got it. The medium pan with the extra garlic parm sauce, double cheese, steak, and bacon. Now listen, folks, if you've ever seen the movie The Mask, right, where this deformed kid is with Cher in that movie, that's what this pizza reminds me of, right? Just an absolute abomination. So I thought I would wage jihad on my colon the next day with all the cheese this thing's got, right? A veritable genocide on my taste buds, as it were. Given all the human conflict that's going on in the world, this must by far be the worst in human tragedy. Oh, for fuck's sakes. All right. Okay. Yeah. So, I don't know who the fuck came up with this. But this pizza is truly the epitome of mankind's hatred for their fellow man. Because wow. It's cost me $24. Who the fuck literally comes up with this shit? Truly one of the greatest travesties ever committed in mankind's history. This truly is a genocide against my taste buds. I shouldn't have expected anything less. TikTok is the app that gave us this. It's also the app that gave us the Tide Pod eating challenge. What did I expect? I don't know. A miracle, right? This tastes like Jesus Christ himself is frowning down upon me and be like, my child, you have sinned. This goes beyond sinning. I knew going in there that it was probably a mistake. But I came across a video on my feed. Black Ops 6 came out tonight. I'm waiting for it to load. Scrolling through the old, you know, Xi Jinping spyware app. I was like, fuck it, I gotta try it. Because I'm a masochist, right? I like pain. Not really. Alright, folks. Anyways, this is pure degradation of the human spirit at its finest. I gotta at least eat a few slices for dinner, but I don't know if they'll finish this motherfucker. Mother bitches, Baron Chodes, Vatos, Domino's. It's not your fault, Domino's. It's Gen Zers' fault. It's fucking anybody 25 and younger's fault. I can't hold Domino's responsible for this. I can only take responsible for my own actions in getting this absolute dumpster fire of a pizza. Peace out, muchachos. I don't recommend it. Save your colon, the pain of getting bunged up with all this cheese, right? Get yourself a real pie, all right? That's all I got for you. Peace out, homies.